tutorial on how to use this hot air brush and get a salon like blow dry at home. We need to start with fresh, clean hair. It also needs to be wet. I'm going to use this Pantene Open Hair Miracle for heat protecting. I'm going to divide my hair into 3 halves. First, I start with the bottom 1/3 part of it. I'm going to tie the remaining hair like this. Divide this into half. I'm also going to take the back part of it, divide this part into half, add the remaining hair into the bunch of this hair. Take the hot air brush. We need to brush it through down, up, side, and front. This way it's going to dry all part of the hair rather than just drying the upper part of the hair. So you need to turn the brush, go down, go up, go top, and go down. Go straight and keep rolling at the bottom of the hair. You need to do it inwards. So by doing inwards, you get that inward curl. So repeat the same on the left side of the hair. I'm going to repeat the same on the right side. There are different ways that people do it, like they take it from top. For me, it's easier this way. Repeat the same step, divided it to half, flip the remaining hair into the remaining bunch. Take this, and then bottom, up, go down, and I'm going to repeat the same. Now I take the crown area, divide this, divide into half, take this area, tie it up again, and all I need to do is repeat the same step, divide it into half. But if you have time, take smaller sections. But in case you don't, because it's a thicker brush, you want to take a section in each brush. You can always use a hairbrush. I personally don't use a lot of hairbrush, just to remove knots in case there are any. So what you need to do, especially in this front area, you need to brush downwards, upwards from the closer to the scalp, and then top, and then bottom. So now turn on the brush, go downwards, go up, closer to the scalp, pull this. You flip around the hair, and top, and then in this way. At last, we take this crown area. I'm gonna keep this face framing piece aside, take the remaining hair, divide it into half. So now it's very important that we don't do it from right, rather we do it from up. Meaning you take the brush, we lift it up, bringing that down. So here we go, lift it up, lift, and roll it on the hand. So when you do that, you can see there's this down. You can get this. So this is my face framing piece. Now I go up. I go away from the face, then again from down, right, left. Repeat, go up, away from the face, go bottom, go right, and left. Okay, we're not done yet. Coming to the last, that's setting the hair. So here's what I would like to do. Now that all my hair is dry, I take the face framing part, I take the brush, and now I'm just gonna give that lift and leave. Okay? But now I do it away from the face so that I get curls over here. I turn on the brush. Will give you